So tell me, Vetsu, what is the difference between a baby and a child?
I-baby ne-child. Kahle kahle igama elilodwa ukuthi u-baby igama le-English u-child. No.
Hey, yo, what up, it's your boy? What up, it's your boy, Ella Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the old Cavs, my figure to buy it, say, show. Okay, our first, so I'm going to pin a boy, our first, like, oh, explain our first, and say, push it like, when our first, key and air, our first. Because I ain't our first, some still cool, some chitsong, and funny, some. Hey, kuninga cool, our first, our first. I also wanted to say, thank you for 1,000 subscribers, but first, to spare your pambil, our first song, a solid movement. If please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Always. Hey, yo, what up, it's your boy, Ella Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the old Cavs, my figure to buy it, show. Okay, I'm here with.
Karabo.
Okay, Karabo, first questions first, I would say, my colors are South African flag.
Oh shit, so it's red, blue, green, yellow, black. So that's 5.
5, ne? Alright, second question first. What is the difference between a baby and a child?
Well, a baby is like infant, and then a child can be, I think, anything from like I don't know. Oh no, I think a baby can also be a child, but then it's up to like 18.
Ne.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Tell me, what is the best things to have for breakfast?
Oh, well, I'm a fan of bacon, so I think bacon.
Always. So tell me, why do girls cheat?
Well, not all girls cheat, so I don't cheat, so I can't answer that question.
How guys cheat when?
Never.
I'm keeping cheat me so good days.
Sure.
So I'm keeping me so good days.
No.
Go by.
Mangaze nje ngisho ngisukudate.
Oh, okay. So last question first ngakuthi uqonda ukuthini AM no PM lo isikhathi?
AM is like from 12 ebusuku, right, midnight, to like 11, I'd say 11:59, right? Because from 12 PM, lo mean that's like afternoon. Yeah.
So please shout out to Instagram la abantu bangafollow akhona.
Oh, it's Karabo, but then the O is an X and then it's _M.
Alright, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Okay. Sure.
Always. Ready? Hey, yo, what up, it's your boy, Ella Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the old Cavs, my figure to buy it, show. Okay, I'm here with.
Lerato.
Yeah, first, I'm here with Lerato and I'm Shanja. First questions first, I would say, how are colors of the South African flag?
There are 6 colors.
Okay, please name them.
White, red, blue, green, yellow, black.
Away. So tell me, first, you're in a grind for breakfast?
I'm with pigs.
Go by.
Because nje siyabo sibe right because ayacleana ekuseni vele phela kumele izinto ezocleanisisa and then lay kahle nje foundation for everything that follows.
Okay, so what is the difference between a baby and a child?
I-baby incane kune-child. I-baby like umuntu osanda kuzalwa uyi-baby. Yabo 6 months i-baby. I-child ike sekhulile.
Lapho sekhulile.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me first, what is the full meaning if it's got AM no PM lo isikhathi? Cabanga kwakho.
Angikaze nje ngicabange.
Awazi cabanga. Okay, ungamkhipha umjitsimisa kwi-days?
Yeah.
Sekwamkhipha?
No, angikaze ngikhiphi.
Ngobani?
Hayi nje angikaze kungifikele ngithi kusibatsha ujwayele ukukhipha yena.
Oh, ujwayele ukukhipha.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, where is Africa located?
Where is?
Africa located.
Emhlabeni endaweni.
Emhlabeni in the world.
Yeah.
Kephi kanjani?
On the African continent. It's located in the world. It's ngizothini?
Okay, awungaka ama-continent ase-Africa?
Awekho ama-continent e-Africa.
Awungaka ama-countries ase-Africa?
I don't know, 57.
57.
I'm thinking they're 57, 52 lapho nje.
Okay, mfethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ne.
Yeah.
Always. Yo, what up, it's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel to Makfiki Tubani Tsegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Slindile.
Okay, so Slindile first. So first questions first ngawuthi ungamkhipha umjitsi mise ku date?
Ngimkhiphe.
Ungamkhipha umjitsi mise ku date?
Yeah.
Why?
Because ngimthanda. Nodam.
Alright, yes. So tell me first, what is the capital city ya KwaZulu-Natal?
Capital city. Ayikho.
Ne. Okay, so tell me first, so what is the difference between a baby and a child?
Baby and child. Kahle igama elilodwa ukuthi baby igama le-English child. No.
That's true.
Baby and child ayikho difference.
Ayikho difference ne. Alright, fresh. So tell me, why do girls cheat first ngocabanga kwakho nje?
Abanye abafana bayabheda futhi abantu abaningi nama-insecurities awahili from past.
Shoots like tonight abantu abasashawa ama-ex abo first.
Yeah.
Okay, yes. So tell me, what is the best thing to have for a breakfast?
For a breakfast, mawed pigs.
Mawed pigs. Why mawed pigs?
Yathanda mnandi.
Oh, yeah, tan. Okay, so tell me, mfethu uqonda ukuthini AM no PM leyo sikhathi?
AM no angwazi wenqamamanga.
Ne. Okay, so tell me, mfethu, where is Africa located?
Africa. I don't know.
You don't know. Okay, please name 2 countries that qala ngo-letter P.
Countries.
Brazil, Bangladesh.
Oh,
Please
yeah.
shout out to Instagram la abantu bengakufollow khona.
Angina Instagram.
Na Instagram.
Yeah.
TikTok.
No, I don't.
Okay, ngiyabonga kakhulu ne. Always. Yo, what up, it's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and you'll travel to Makfiki Tubani Tsegi show. Okay, I'm here with
Sosibo.
Okay, so I'm here with Nhlalendle first. So Nja Maush, what is the highest amount we spend a good days?
500.
500. Usazwana nalo muntu namanje.
I don't even follow her, boy.
Okay, so ngicabanga wakho, why do girls cheat?
Boreka mhlambe noma ngathini. Mhlawumbe ngasakufili ngale ndlela sekufila ngayo. Noma ungasenzi kahle. Kodwa into ecishe ibe kanjalo.
Alright. So tell me Nja, what is the full meaning ya AM no PM lo sikhathi?
AM is in the morning. PM ngasho ukuthi afternoon and the night. Yeah.
Okay, what is the difference between a baby and a child?
A baby is someone who understands the right or the wrong, and a child is someone who is in the stage of knowing the right
and the wrong.
Sure.
Okay, when Nja yini ngathi grand nje for a breakfast first?
I can say mhlambe
Mawuvuka ekuseni nje yini ufuna ukidla nje wena uthi okay mangidle lento mfethu usuku lami ligreen.
jungle oats.
Jungle oats. Awe faka ubisi eliningi ne.
Yeah.
Faka ushukela.
Sure.
Awe mawudla masi njama uyafaka ushukela noma ufaka?
Hayi ngwafaka bafu.
Ufila kanjani abantu abafaka ushukela kumasi?
Ngiba understand.
I understand.
Waphela right yabo and original kahle awadinga ushukela.
Awe. Okay, so Nja last question ngawuthi ngicabanga kwakho, where is Africa located?
Mhlambe direction noma kanjani.
Nje Africa ikephi?
Ibe south.
South ne. Alright, so Nja please shout out to Instagram noma TikTok la abantu bangakufollow khona bafu.
Instagram handle yami Lwenhle_Sosibo 88. Facebook Lwenhle Dlamini. Danko.
Always. Alright. Yo, what up, it's your boy LS Stones. I'm back with another Shandis and the stuff it's more figure to buy it say show. Okay, wafethu kusayena wafethu Mr. Lukhululeza, Mr. Nkintulele kuya wafethu mjisa ngefaniswe. Sanibonga kakhulu bafethu for 1000 subscribers. Namhlanje bengikhona la Wexley ngishayela khona wafethu Q&A. Siphushile first like pushya khona sazama ubalance la balance khona. I just want to say thank you for your support bafethu inhlezi ningikhombisa yona nanokuthi nibuke nje ama video onkinto bafethu. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. First ungitshele ukuthi yini uyifisayo engilandelayo and do follow me on Instagram bafethu semgama yonke indawo _like stones na TikTok bafethu ungakhohlwa mina ngikhohlwa wena. Stay blessed and shining always.
Going up, going up, going up. Namabanga tini we going up. But I believe it's alright. But I know God do we going up, going up. Bachela sasheshi asiba megi going up. Abasuge keleni etap.